scaring away all of the others. They're losing their food in the process. Oh, look. Aren't they beautiful? Are you recording them?
Hello. Can you get some more bird seed? I think we've flapped it all the way.
Oh no, there's some over there. Look. It's not birdseed, I think it's quinoa.
Where's the wild bird? They like quinoa.
Huh?
What a cranky bird.
Yeah. Beautiful, but cranky.
Hello. Oh.
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 He bit my hand.
Yeah.
Good. Oh. Good. Good. Oh. Come on.
She's interested in the seeds.
Come on. We have to jump on my hand to get it. Oh. Hello. This is the one.
Yes, I've been there, done that. There's no seed on your hand.
Where's the wild bird seed?
I don't know.
Hello.